fiddle, and his guys continue to work on that power play. Also reminding them that this isn't going to be an up and down finesse speed game, knowing that the Blues' MO is to bang away as the Premier Division villains.
It's a big game in St. Louis. We feel like they're our new rivalry with Detroit leaving our division. It's always a physical game. It should be an exciting game. This could be like a playoff atmosphere, I know for sure, because they're physical and they're our team to play against in their building.
We all know what they're going to bring. They're going to bring the physical element to the game and try to, take you out of the game that way. So sometimes it's fine with us. We'll play that way and, try to capitalize on power plays or scoring chances, whatever it may be, and hopefully beat them.
Yeah, hopefully. Briefly, the Falcons could lose Julio Jones for the entire year with a bad foot. The Cubs just re-signed Ryan Sweeney, and the A's lead the Tigers 1-0 for the ALDS. Rangers and Kings last night off the board. New York clears it off the boards in the penalty kill. The ricochet goes right off Jonathan.